Good day, doctor. We are from Team 15 and my name is Anik Hao. My material number is 2799258. I will be one of the banker in this activity. Today, we will play the roles of banker and customer during the application of the letter of credit. We also will explain the detail, loan requirement, and documentation of the letter of credit.
Good day, doctor. My name is Yap Shai. My metric number is 278704. Today, I will be one of the customer in this activity.
So, without further hesitation, let's begin the role play activity. Nice to meet you, miss. I'm the banker to help you today. My name is Jaden.
Hello, nice to meet you, Jaden. Thank you so much for offering your help to me. My name is Jane Yap. You may call me Jane.
Alright, Miss Jen. I hope you are doing well today. How can I help you today?
Well, I'm doing great today, and thank you for your concern. Alright, now I'm doing a textile business by supplying the best quality of fabrics for our local and abroad companies. So I have an intention to apply for a letter of credits to secure my business. But I wonder what is about. Like, what should I prepare for the application, and what was the procedure? Could you please explain it to me?
Alright, Miss Jen. I will explain the detail of the letter of credit for you now. A letter of credit is a document sent from a bank or financial institute that guarantee that an exporter will receive an importer payment on time and for the full amount. Can I know Miss Jen already consulted with the exporter before applying the letter of credit?
Oh, I not yet, because I would like to know the details regarding the letter of credits so I can understand it better before I approach my exporter.
Alright. For your information, Miss Jen is required to consult with the exporter to make a sales agreement before issuing a letter of credit. Once the sales agreement is completed, Ms. Jen can apply to our bank to open a letter of credit in favor of the exporter. Our bank will draft the letter of credit using the sales agreement term and condition and transmit it to the exporter bank. After that, the exporter bank review and approve the letter of credit and send it to the exporter. Does Ms. Jen understand until here?
Oh, so I have to make a sales agreement first with my exporter. Now I understood. But what will be the procedure after I have made the sales agreement? What should I do?
Alright, the exporter will ship the good and submit the required document to the bank. For additional information, a freight forwarder may be used to assist in this process. Then, the exporter bank will check the document for compliance with the letter of credit terms and condition. Any document error and discrepancy must be admitted and resubmitted.
I see. Sorry for disturbing you. May I know how to make the payment to the exporter?
Oh, sure. Once the documents are approved, the exporter bank submit the complying document to our bank, and we will release payment to the exporter bank. After Ms. Jane account is debited, our bank will release the document to you to claim the good and clear the custom.
Okay, I get it now. That is clear enough. Thank you so much for your patience in explaining it to me. It's really helped me a lot.
You are welcome. I hope this conversation will help you further understand how the letter of credit works in the import and export business.
Okay, so good day, Dr. Mailam. So my name is Kwang Zhen Singh and my metric number is 277183. So now we will conduct the second section for the role play activity, which is explain the letter of credit requirement and documents for the customer. So I will act as the banker to provide all the details for the customer.
Okay, good day, doctor. My name is Muhammad Aiman Aufa bin Muhammad Rosli, and my meter number is 281320. I will be one of the customer in this activity.
So good afternoon, sir. I'm the banker to help you today, and you can call me Zhen Singh.
Hello, good day, and nice to meet you. My name is Muhammad Aiman, but you can call me Aiman.
All right, Mr. Aiman, nice to meet you too. How may I help you today?
All right. So I am a small trader doing a canned food business in Malaysia. Few days ago, I decided to buy canned food from an Australian seller for RM 100,000. Hence, I wanted to get a letter of credit from my bank to succeed in my trading with the foreign seller. So before that, I just want to know if it is possible for me to issue a letter of credit here, as I don't have a bank account yet in your bank. Can you give me an explanation so that I am more confident and more understanding about this?
Well, Mr. Aiman, to issue a letter of credit in our bank, you need to have at least one bank account with our bank. So, do you want to open a bank account with us?
Yes, please help me to open a business bank account. Besides opening an account, are there any other requirements needed for issuing a letter of credit in this bank? As the amount of letter of credit I want to issue is RM 100,000.
Oh, okay, Mr. Aiman. So, you hope to issue a letter of credit with the amount of 100,000. So, there are some requirements that need to be fulfilled. As you are a new account holder and don't have any financial transaction with our bank yet, hence, you need to keep a 100% margin amount with your bank. This means Mr. Aiman needs to deposit 100,000 to our bank account as the margin amount to cover your purchase contract to let our bank act as your guarantee on your purchase contract. If the letter of credit, if the letter of credit amount is 100,000, your amount of 100,000 in the bank account will be brought from because we need to pay the letter of credit amount until the maturity date. So in addition, you have to certify that the import of the relevant goods is not prohibited and or restricted.
Oh, I see. Okay, Zensin. So I will prepare the deposit amount later because the amount is large, hence I need some time to prepare. The canned food also get approval from the local law enforcement.
No problem, Mr. Aiman. Thank you for choosing our bank to issue a letter of credit for you. Is Mr. Aiman familiar with the documentation that needs to prepare for issues a letter of credit?
This is the first time I'm doing this letter of credit, so I have no idea about it. What is the documentation that should be prepared by me if I want to make a letter of credit?
Oh, that's the first time Mr. Aiman do the letter of credit. Alright, so you need to provide me with the purchase contract, which includes the goods or service being exchanged, the payment amount, the expected delivery date, transportation details, and other details. In addition, Mr. Aiman need to prepare some important documents, which include one original and one copy of the commercial invoice, insurance policy or certificate in duplicate, bills of landing, a wage bill, delivery order, certificate of origin, packing or wait list for me to issue a letter of credit for you. Lastly, all the documents must be present for negotiation within the expiry date.
Okay, thank you, Sensin, for the detailed explanation and on the letter of credit requirements and documentation that I have to prepare. I really enjoy and glad to see a good banker like you, such a kind person. Once again, thank you for your support and helping.
Welcome, Mr. Aiman. Thanks for choosing us as your guarantees. We will try our best to succeed in your trading.